Most people think all money apps work the same. But here's the truth no one tells you. Some apps are built for everyday banking, while others are designed for emergency cash only. In this video, you will learn the real difference between Chime and Dave in 2026, and which one actually fits your financial situation. Let's break it down simply. Chime is a full mobile banking app. It gives you a checking account, savings tools, and early direct deposit. Dave is different. It is focused more on short-term cash advances and helping you avoid overdraft fees. Now here's where it gets interesting. If you need a full replacement for traditional banking, Chime is built for that. But if you only need small emergency cash before payday, Dave is designed specifically for that purpose. Let's go step by step. First, everyday banking. Chime allows you to receive your paycheck, spend money with a debit card, and save in one place. So if someone like Alex wants to manage all his money in one app, Chime feels like a complete system. Dave does not replace a bank account in the same way. It connects to your existing bank and works alongside it. So it is more like a financial support tool than a full bank. But here's the problem most users miss. Many people expect Dave to behave like a normal bank, but it is not designed for that. It is meant for short-term cash help, not full financial management. Now let's talk about cash advances. Dave offers small advances based on your income and spending patterns. So if John is short on rent before payday, Dave might offer a quick boost depending on eligibility. Chime does not offer the same style of payday cash advances. Instead, it offers SpotMe overdraft protection, which only covers small card purchases when your balance is low. In a minute, I'll show you which one is better for long-term money management. Now, let's talk about fees and structure. Chime is mostly fee-free and very straightforward. Dave usually has subscription-based features if you want faster or higher advances. That means costs can vary depending on usage. Here's where it gets important. If your goal is budgeting, saving, and replacing a traditional bank, Chime is the stronger choice. But if your main problem is surviving between paychecks, Dave is more useful. Users like Alex often prefer Chime because it builds financial structure. Users like John prefer Dave because it helps in emergencies. So which one wins in 2026? There is no single winner. They solve different problems. Chime wins for full banking and long-term use. Dave wins for short-term cash support and emergencies. The smartest approach is understanding your own need first. Stability or emergency help. If this comparison helped you understand the difference clearly, like the video, comment which app you use, and subscribe for more simple finance breakdowns in 2026.